Welcome to belly breath. Begin by settling into a comfortable seated position. Let your spine lengthen gently and rest your hands on your lap, palms open to receive. Close your eyes softly and take a slow, nourishing breath in. Feel your belly expand as fresh air fills your lungs. And exhale, allowing any tension to melt away. With each breath, your body grows heavier, anchored, and still. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breathing, steady, natural, unforced. This moment is just for you. Bring your attention to your breath, your bridge between body and mind. Notice how your chest rises and falls, how air flows effortlessly through you. Allow your breath to draw you inward, grounding you in the present. Now tune into your heart, the quiet space within that longs for lightness and positivity. Feel a warm glow expanding from your chest, filling you with gratitude for choosing peace today. Above you, imagine a vast sky, open, bright, and endlessly blue. A cool breeze caresses your face, carrying clarity and renewal. You breathe it in deeply, feeling it awaken your mind and lift your spirit. Turn your awareness towards your head, your brain, the beautiful engine of thought and imagination. Feel a gentle pulse of energy here, alive, creative, and filled with light. Send it love. Whisper gratitude for how it supports you every day. With that loving focus, imagine your brain glowing with soft golden light, sparking with calm clarity. Now, repeat silently after me. I choose peace. I choose joy. I choose to see the good in all things. My thoughts create my reality, and I choose love. Let those affirmations settle deep into your being. Every inhale fills you with calm. Every exhale releases worry. Take one more slow, full breath in. Hold it gently at the top and exhale with a soft sigh, letting everything go. Bring awareness back to your body, to the weight of your legs, the surface beneath you, the rhythm of your heart. Begin to move gently, rolling your shoulders, wiggling your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes, returning to the world around you with a quiet smile and a clear, peaceful mind. You've done beautifully.